I think at this point we all know that building a PC is a cheaper and just in general more powerful option than buying one pre-made. So today I'm going to show you how to build your own PC. With me, I actually already have my PC built and I just need to turn it on, so let's do that. Bit of technical difficulties, just keep waiting 1 minute.
I think I figured out the problem. The power, the plug it wasn't plugged in. Now it should be good.
There we go. Got it working. Here we go. Not Windows 8? I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. One, seems like a hardware issue. Hi, Mary. Yeah, I'm building a PC and it doesn't seem to be turning on Windows. I have to install it. It doesn't come with it. I mean, I shouldn't be having this problem. I got 8 RAMs. Yeah, I got 8 of them. What's a gigabyte? Hey, do you want to maybe go on a date or something? I mean, Alright, well, here's to Mary. Building a PC is fucking hard. I think we're just gonna get a MacBook.